Now, let's go to the extraordinary attacks of the devil. These are the examples I've shared with you earlier. Again, these are rare, they're more intense, they require pastoral and exorcism ministry. It may not happen to us, but as you mentioned in the chat, you know someone who have experienced this. Number one, infestation. That's a sign, that's an example of infestation where there is disturbances in places, objects, and animals. So the cases of haunted houses fall under this. Next, oppression. These are external attacks on mind, body, or circumstances. If you know someone, a student or a loved one or a family or a friend, they will have nightmares and then they will wake up with some bruises. So this is a case of oppression. Probably there are cases of oppression that we don't necessarily connect to spiritual. Now, the rarest of them all is possession, partial or full control of a person's body. Take note, dear friends, that the devil can never be allowed by the Lord to control the soul, only the body, because the soul is the sacred sanctuary that is only accessible to God. So please don't be afraid. I'm just trying to paint a picture of how real and how severe this can be.